What was that?
Welcome kicking in the kiddos.
Cooking the kiddos?
Kicking with the kiddos.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome.
Hey, welcome to Cooking with the Kiddos. We have some clues here. What do we have? What are we doing? You want to let them know?
A kebab stick.
A kebab stick, ice, water. What? For dessert. What are we making today?
Tanghulu.
Be careful where your fingers are so you don't get a pokey. So the way it works is instead of us making a sugary solution or a sugary dip to dip your fruit kebab in, we are going to try and coat it with an icy coating. So we're using frozen fruit, and Hero is going to use water. I think we need to put more ice in here. And I'm going to try coconut water because I personally have a difficult time staying hydrated in the summertime. So let's see how it goes.
It's super cold.
Good, good. Can you pass me my kebab? Awesome, thank you. It should be about 2 minutes. Do you know why we're trying to maybe use more natural means instead of like coating sugar on it? Why do you think Mommy doesn't want you to have too much sugar every day?
Because sugar can give you cavities, I think.
That's true. That's very true. And a lot of times it doesn't have, it has energy, which we all need energy to run, but it unfortunately doesn't have a lot of the vitamins and the mineral goodies that we need to, you know, feel good on the day-to-day. So, we're gonna try and add that in. Well, I'm not adding it in with my coconut water, hopefully. And, you know, Hero's just getting that nice crunch, that cutty feel. How's it working for you so far?
Good, because I like water and drinking it. Okay, so it's kind of getting further now.
Hey, how did yours come out? We put it in the freezer for just a little bit to, yeah, do we like it? Yeah. All right, what do we want everybody to do for next time?
Like and subscribe and eat this up.
Love it. See you next time.
See you next time.